Okay. Couple things to watch out for. Like I said, you want to be really careful not to pick up a piece of solder on top of or above your glass, because it's very likely that in doing this you might drop a piece of solder. So always work on the edge. If you do happen to crack a piece of glass and you want to remove it, it is possible to do that. So this is what I was kind of showing my class this morning. If you crack a middle piece, you're going to have to just kind of like, it stinks and I got to deal with it, because it's going to be really hard to get a piece out from the middle. But if it happens to be on an edge, you have a few more options. So what you can do is kind of try to release that seam by heating up the solder. And as you're doing this, I would probably use some pliers instead of your hand, so you can kind of melt that seam apart, and you can use your soldering iron just to kind of like use some leverage and get in there. And you can actually see what broke was the bond between the sticky adhesive of the copper tape. And now I'm just trying to separate the tape. So it's possible to remove a piece once it's been soldered on. It's not easy, but it's possible. You're going to end up with kind of a messy seam that you'll have to try to remove some solder from, and then cut a replacement piece to kind of fit. Make sense? Okay. Let's stop that video.